So I got this Kirby G5. It is a January of 1998. I got it off of eBay for a good price after me and the seller basically went back and forth with negotiation, and I finally got it for a good deal. So here it is, my Kirby G5. It does need to be polished, and the cord is questionable because there's 2 spots of tape. So I may need a new cord depending on how bad the damage is. But for now it works. What I did do is take it apart, clean it all out because there was dirt. So it's clean on the inside, nothing dirty. The fan was replaced, I want to say, during the Ultimate G or Diamond run. It is the current style fan, but it's one of the early examples of the current style fan. So yeah, I'd say the fan that's in there is about 15, 16 years old maybe, compared to the original, which would have been 22 years old. But I mean, it's a better fan, so I'm not complaining. The brush roll is original. It's the original sleeve magnet brush roll that these had originally, but it's in good shape. It's on setting 3, but it must have been in setting 3 for not that long because it's still got plenty of life left. So, and the belt in there is good still. So yeah, it runs great. I washed the bag, put a new Micron Magic in here, so it's ready to go. So without further ado, oh, and it needed a new light bulb, so yeah, I got that done. So here we go. That's my Kirby G5. Thanks for watching. I'll have more up soon.